Catch this. Ever wondered how birds manage to sleep without falling off their perch? Well, here's a feather in your cap. Birds possess a unique ability called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. This allows them to keep one half of their brain awake, while the other half gets some shut-eye. Nifty, ain't it? While the awake half keeps an eye out for predators and maintains body balance, the sleeping half rejuvenates. This is particularly useful during migration, when birds need to stay airborne for long periods. It's like having your cake and eating it too. So next time you see a bird perched quietly, remember, it might just be half asleep. How's that for a fun fact? Remember, there's always more to learn and the world is full of surprises.
Boomslang snake venom is one of the deadliest in the world. If you're bitten, it can make you bleed from all of your holes until you die. This potent venom contains powerful toxins that affect your blood's ability to clot, leading to uncontrollable bleeding. It's a terrifying reminder of nature's raw power. Ever pondered what a squirrel sees as it scampers around? They're not just seeing the world in black and white, no siree! They've got dichromatic color vision, which means they can see two colors. In human terms, think of it like this. If we've got red, blue, and green, squirrels only have blue and yellow. Now this doesn't make their world any less vibrant. Oh no, it just means they see things a tad differently. For instance, a red apple might appear as a shade of yellow to them. Isn't that fascinating? A whole new perspective on how our furry friends perceive the world. Every day is a chance to learn something new, and today you've learned a little more about squirrels. Don't you feel a bit more enlightened now? Remember, the world is full of wonders, you just gotta look close enough.
Dive into the world of aquatic reptiles, where alligators, caimans, and crocodiles reign supreme. Despite their similarities, these creatures bear unique traits. Alligators bask in freshwater areas in the southeastern US and China, while their caiman cousins inhabit South and Central America. Meanwhile, crocodiles adapt to both freshwater and saltwater, spanning tropical and subtropical regions globally. Size? Caimans are the smallest, adults reaching around 6.5 feet in length and 88 pounds. Alligators follow, stretching to about 13 feet and weighing in at 794 pounds. Crocodiles, the largest, can measure between 9.5 to 16 feet long and tip the scales at 1,151 pounds. Snout shape distinguishes them further. Caimans and alligators boast wide U-shaped snouts, while crocodiles sport narrow V-shaped snouts. When it comes to their diet, caimans munch on small animals, alligators prefer larger fish and mammals, and crocodiles, they're not picky. They'll attack anything, including large sharks and even humans. In essence, these reptiles share some common ground, but their physical characteristics, habitats, and behaviors distinctly set them apart. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world around us.
Picture an elephant, majestic, imposing, serene. But did you know that these gentle giants can hustle? Believe it or not, an elephant can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. Miles per hour for those of you across the pond. To put that into perspective, the average human runs at around 12 kilometers per hour. So if you're thinking of challenging Dumbo to a foot race, you might want to reconsider. Elephants may be large, but they're far from slow. Their speed is yet another testament to their incredible abilities and versatility. So next time you gaze upon these magnificent creatures, remember, they're not just beauty and grace, they're also pretty swift on their feet.